Ever wondered how strong a beautiful chicken can be? Today, we dive into the surprising world of poultry strength. When you think of strength, chickens might not be the first thing that comes to mind. But believe it or not, these feathery creatures have a lot more power than you might think. The strength of chickens is a fascinating topic, one that we seldom pay attention to. So let's change that, shall we? Physical strength in chickens is vital for their survival. It allows them to evade predators, compete for resources, and even establish their place in the pecking order. But it's not just about survival. The strength of a chicken also plays a significant role in its productivity. A strong chicken is a healthy chicken, and a healthy chicken is a productive chicken. A chicken's strength comes from its musculature, which is why it's essential for farmers to pay attention to their flock's physical condition. A well-fed, well-exercised chicken is a strong chicken, and a strong chicken is a happy chicken. But of course, it's not just about diet and exercise. Genetics also play a part, with certain breeds being naturally stronger than others. But strength in chickens goes beyond just physical prowess. Chickens are mentally strong too, with a surprising degree of intelligence and problem-solving ability. They can learn, remember, and even exhibit empathy, which is a form of emotional strength. So why is all this important? Well, understanding the strength of chickens can help us take better care of them. It can inform breeding decisions, influence feed choices, and even shed light on chicken behavior. It's a fascinating field of study, one that's full of surprises. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the physical strength of chickens and understand what makes them stronger. Chickens might not be bodybuilders, but they have an impressive musculature. Let's find out more. When you think of a chicken, the first thing that comes to mind isn't exactly a muscular heavyweight. But don't let their feathery exterior fool you. Chickens have a fascinating musculoskeletal system that's worth exploring. Starting with their legs, chickens have a set of powerful muscles that help them forage for food, run from predators, and even dig for insects. Their muscular legs consist of the gastrocnemius and the tibialis anterior, muscles that are akin to our calf and shin muscles. These muscles give chickens the ability to scratch and peck at the ground with remarkable strength and precision. But that's just the legs. Let's move on to their wings. The wings of a chicken are a complex assembly of muscles that work together to allow for flight. The largest muscle in the wing, known as the pectoralis, is responsible for the downward stroke in flight. Meanwhile, the supracoracoideus, located underneath the pectoralis, powers the upward stroke. Interestingly enough, chickens don't fly like other birds. They are more adapted for short bursts of flight, typically used as an escape mechanism. This is why their wing muscles are built for power, not endurance. In addition to the legs and wings, chickens also have several smaller muscles throughout their body that aid in everyday tasks. These include the muscles in their neck that allow them to peck at food and the muscles in their tail that help with balance. It's clear that every muscle in a chicken's body has a specific purpose, contributing to their overall strength and agility. And while they may not be winning any weightlifting competitions, chickens are surprisingly strong for their size, thanks to their well-developed musculature. As we can see, chicken strength lies in their unique musculature. Ever been pecked by a chicken? If so, you know they pack a punch. But just how strong is a chicken's peck? The strength of a chicken's peck is often overlooked. We tend to focus on their ability to lay eggs or their speed on the ground, but the power behind their beak is truly remarkable. This strength is not just for show, it serves a crucial purpose. You see, a chicken's peck is its primary defense mechanism. When faced with a threat, chickens will often resort to a quick, forceful peck. This can deter predators and keep the chicken safe. But it's not just about defense. The strength of a chicken's peck is also crucial for their survival in another way, foraging for food. Chickens are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and meat. They use their beaks to dig into the ground, to break apart plant matter, and to catch and kill small animals and insects. This requires a significant amount of force. Imagine the strength it takes to break through the hard shell of a beetle or the tough skin of a worm. Now consider that a chicken can do this multiple times a day, every day. It's a testament to the power and endurance of these creatures. And it's not just adult chickens that have this strength. Even chicks just days old are capable of delivering a powerful peck. This is vital for their survival as they start to explore their surroundings and look for food. So, next time you observe a chicken casually pecking at the ground, remember the power behind each of those pecks. They are not just picking at the dirt. They are utilizing a remarkable strength that aids in their survival and defense. Chickens, like many other animals, have incredible adaptations that help them thrive in their environments. The strength of their peck is just one of these adaptations, but it's a significant one. As it turns out, a chicken's peck is not something to underestimate. Chickens aren't known for their flying abilities, but they do have the strength to take off when needed. Let's explore this further. When we think of birds, we often imagine creatures soaring high in the sky, covering vast distances with their wings spread wide. Chickens, however, have a different approach to flight. They are not long-distance flyers, nor do they take to the skies for hours on end. But don't let this fool you into underestimating their strength and agility. Chickens use their wings for something known as flutter jump. This is essentially a short burst of flight, often used to escape predators or reach higher ground. It's a fascinating spectacle, a sudden, powerful flurry of wings that can propel them over fences and onto low branches. The strength required for these bursts of flight is immense. Chickens, despite their size, have a surprising amount of muscle power packed into their wings. They rely on a combination of several muscles that work together to provide the necessary force for takeoff. The primary flight muscles, known as the pectorals, are the most powerful and constitute about 20% of a chicken's total body weight. These muscles are responsible for the downstroke of the wings, which gives the chicken the initial lift and momentum to get off the ground. Additionally, the supracoracoideus, another key flight muscle, works in tandem with the pectorals. This muscle powers the upstroke of the wings, preparing for the next powerful downstroke and maintaining the chicken's altitude during flight. Their flight might not be as graceful or as long as that of other birds, but it's a testament to their strength and agility. It proves that chickens are far more than just ground-dwelling birds. They have the power to take to the skies, even if it's just for a few seconds. While they may not be soaring through the sky, chickens certainly use their strength to get off the ground. As we've discovered, chickens are stronger than they might initially seem. Let's summarize what we've learned. Firstly, we looked at the musculature of chickens. Beneath those fluffy feathers lies a structure of muscles that's quite impressive. Chickens have a complex network of muscles that govern their movements, from the tiny muscles controlling their eyes to the large breast muscles that allow them to perform short bursts of flight. These muscles not only make them physically strong, but also contribute to their survival in diverse environments. Then, we delved into the power of the peck. Chickens have a pecking power that's surprisingly strong for their size. This power comes from a combination of the chicken's neck muscles and the design of their beak. This peck isn't just for show, though. Chickens use their strong beaks for a variety of tasks, such as foraging for food, defending themselves from predators, and establishing a pecking order within their flock. Next, we explored the strength of flight. While chickens aren't known for their long-distance flying abilities, they are capable of powerful, short bursts of flight. This ability to fly, even for short distances, gives them an edge when it comes to escaping predators or reaching high roosting spots. This strength of flight is a testament to the power packed into their small bodies. So, what are the takeaways from our exploration? Chickens are small creatures, but they possess a surprising amount of strength. Their strong musculature, powerful peck, and ability to fly, albeit short distances, are all indicators of their strength. This strength is a testament to their resilience and adaptability in the face of diverse conditions and environments. Next time you see a chicken, remember, they are small but mighty. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of chicken strength.